Go ahead.
Okay, amazing attendance, everyone. This is just great. So I just would like to maybe close my part and we can leave it to some questions. It's really important on LinkedIn, especially if you're trying to hear from recruiters, give 7 to 10 days notice before you follow up. Okay, allow the time to at least have the application closed so they can review all candidates. I'll tell you something, they will not begin to review candidates deeply and thoroughly until the position is closed. You may get a look in, but they cannot begin interviewing until the application is closed. So just be, at least give 7 to 10 days notice after you have submitted your CV and your application before you follow up. Now, please follow up 3 times, 3, maybe maximum 4. So that will give you about a month worth of follow up. Please don't do more than that. I'll tell you, you will not, it's annoying. It's not harassment, but it's I'm not even sure what the word is, annoying, okay? People will ignore the message if you have continually chased and followed up. So just be careful. I also recommend that you don't just say hi, on the LinkedIn chat, hi ma'am, or hi sir, how are you? Okay? Try not to be generic. And if you allow me to share my screen again, Samir, I've got an example that you are.
Yes. 1 minute.
No problem. No worries. You are welcome to take a screenshot of this, but this is one.
Okay, go ahead.
This is one way you could. Let me just expand this. So you could say, "Hi Trisha" or "Hi ma'am." Where possible, try to use their name. So again, referring to LinkedIn, you know who you're sending it to. So be personal. Hi Patricia, just letting you know that I have applied for the position of XYZ, and I have and now you can read this. Okay, you can insert this template, okay? And then you can say, I look forward to hearing your positive response, or I look forward to hearing your feedback, or should you be interested to discuss further, I would love to have a digital coffee with you. So follow up and close the call after you have summarized your skill sets with a call to action, okay? You can also include just a summary of your qualifications. So dear Patricia, just letting you know that I applied for the position of marketing manager, job reference 1234. A few of the qualifications I bring to the table are here. And now you've summarized this. I look forward to hearing from you again soon, or please feel free to speak with me for a digital coffee to discuss this further. Okay, I hope you're welcome to save this if you would like. But once again, I would recommend using a 3 follow-up and giving 7 to 10 days between follow-up requests. Okay, so I will pause here. Do you want to open the floor for some questions for maybe 10 minutes or so?
Okay. So giving an unmute to everyone, but it makes like a terrible, like, let me go through with their chat box and I will ask about the same questions what they are asking me. It's like a best
Sure.
way. Okay. See, major question with everyone is like, are they are locally hiring? If we are in India, shall we apply or not? This is
Okay, this is
the important question for everyone.
Yes, this is a very good question, right? So most recruiters, most recruitment companies and companies in general are only hiring if you are currently located in Dubai. They are preferring local talent, okay? Why? Because relocation costs, contract negotiations or contract signing, it's usually only reserved for C-level or senior managers that they are happy to sign on a candidate outside of the country. Especially now, there's lots of hotspots, COVID, corona testing. You need to ensure that you are passing all of this before you begin work with your employee, health checks, etc. It's quite strict here. I'm sure people would know, making sure that you're doing your medical tests before employment occurs. So you can certainly be having discussions, conversations, maybe even a first or second interview, but to sign the contract, you need to be officially here at the moment, okay? This is what's currently happening in the market. Now, don't forget, and I'm just reiterating the point that I said before, you're less likely to be screened using the tools if you don't have your location already set to Dubai, because most people will be searching for candidates already here.
Okay, so let me explain them well about this one, which, like, you just gone through your CV, right? See, usually people, what they will do, they will maintain one WhatsApp number or one Telegram number, or the number which is they are using in India or in Pakistan or Bangladesh or Sri Lanka. Okay, and they are putting over the registration form of LinkedIn, and then they are continuing the same thing. What happened when they apply anything? The first thing will be identified by the contact information. When they click on the contact information, it will show clearly that your number. Okay, and LinkedIn is also very clever now. These since from February 1st, LinkedIn has upgraded its system, because most of the people are commenting in the most of the people commenting in the LinkedIn itself that LinkedIn become something else like Facebook and Twitter. No, it's wrong. LinkedIn now, if you observe past popularity of your following and present popularity of following, just with the name of a daytime, if you observe, you will feel that you are highly, very rarely getting increasing of your membership. Means there is a very huge scanning is going on over the following ships. So genuinity under the followership and the connections in the LinkedIn is genuinity is very much 100% secured. So that's why I always prefer everyone to make a connection. Okay, when you make a connection, no matter that when you send a CV, they identify you by the connection. You can easily refer them. I always say them to do these things. So there is no answer for that question that are we able to hire? Yes, they can. And one more question is important, is like, shall we come directly to the UAE and start searching for the job? Yes, of course. This is the reason this UAE kept 3 months of visit visa. If not, there is no meaning for the keeping of 3 months of visit visa. That's called as a long visit visa. Even government itself says that a visit visa for 3 months is something which is means for that a job searching people. Okay, now same question, the first question which I asked you about, that are we able to hide or not? Not only the restriction with the visas, even a local government has some restrictions given to the companies that you please fill the criteria of your jobs who are unemployed here due to this COVID. Okay, next level of chance is thinking about taking off other people. Like how it will be defined? It defined by the status changes. When a company go to the immigration for the status changes, they will say that why you bring this one. If it is a status changes from one company to another company, okay, why you are looking for the outer company, like, in outer country, out of a country where you are looking for, why don't you look into inside? So this is a strict instructions given to the companies, okay, during their renewals, during their processing of communication with the, with the immigration department. They have a labor department, they have given very clear instructions to make fill-ups inside what are the unemployment is there. This is the basic reason. And whoever coming here from the visit visa, yes, they are welcome. If once they come here and they success in their job, there is no problem, they can get visa easily. But people who are outside the, what do you call this, outside the UAE, they are giving a less preference. That is the most important thing people need to understand. They are ready to hire anyone, no matter wherever he is, they are ready to hire. And most,
just
yeah,
sorry,
yeah. And one more important question is about the freshers. They are asking about, I just completed my graduation, I just completed my diploma, I mean, can I have an option, can I get what do you call this, hide? I said yes, of course. If, see, basically, if that situation is depend upon the salary, if they don't mind about the salary, they want experience, I am sure that they are hiring. Now the most important thing is higher value of a salaries of posting in the jobs. Really, please don't trust on them blindly, as Trisha already told about that. Please go check before applying each application. Yes, let me tell you, people nowadays, what happened, they see tens of jobs, they're simply sending single CV to all them. That is called irrelevant, irrelevant. Sometimes what happened now, system of what do you call this, job scan system itself block the email ID. Once, if the candidates keep sending, the candidate sending for the engineering job, and also the candidate, same candidate sent for the, what do you call this, customer service, what happened, it's irrelevant, then automatic system blocks the email ID. There is no meaning in that one, sending of irrelevant CV for the irrelevant job, and these things.
exactly.
So people need to understand this one.
Exactly, and it demoralizes you. You send, for example, I've posted a few jobs recently to help a client, and I received so many applicants that were nothing related to what I was seeking, and they're not going to get a reply. I do want to imply, I reply to everyone that is applicable for the role, but then it demoralizes you because you don't hear back. But it's because you're not applying for the role that's specific to the CV. You're not sending a CV that's specific to the application. So please, if you're not hearing back, make sure that you are applying for the relevant position. And guys, just remember Ramadan's coming, okay? So things slow down. I'm not saying that nothing happens, but you're less likely to be employed during the month of Ramadan. It's best to wait before. It's best to apply before it starts. So, you've only got, 3 weeks, just under, or visit Dubai afterwards. And again, just don't forget, summer is coming. So you need to be prepared, at least have a couple of maybe interviews, or maybe you have got a plan in place so that after Ramadan, you are ready to hit the ground running, because things are very slow here. Most offices will close around 2:30.
Yeah, this is also most important. People keep asking me a question, shall we start now? Then I always advise them, don't come during the Ramjan. Okay, after Ramjan also there is a what you call the reserve timing is there, 15 days. People lost. See, one more, why I'm saying, most of the who taken a authorization to give a job is a higher management, right? Okay, then those higher management will always go off on this during Ramjan. After Ramjan, they go for 10 to 15 days off. Even now, if you apply also, they will get answer like, yes, your CV is with us, but the interviewer is not there. I mean, the person who takes the interview is not available. He went to India, he went to America, he went to something else. Then the question comes, even for me also, today I met some HR who asked me about to give some couple of candidates, which I gave them. It's been 15 days past. I'm personally asking them what is happening, because someone is applied, they have a curiosity of getting the answer, like, what happened. Then I ask the same thing to the HR. The HR says, yeah, some are selected, but the problem is, like, the interview is not available, he is out of. Yes, this is an excuse also. This is an excuse also. People should understand this is an excuse also. So be careful. That's why I always trust to everyone that, before even apply a job, go to their website, try to understand about what is the company. Now, a couple of people will ask, if I am going through the consultancy, then you have a right to ask them. Then you have 100% right to ask them that what is this job stands, where this job stands, what is the company. And most important thing is, even whatever and what type of a job it is, we have a right to understand their capacity of the company. Today some companies are there where they are ready to give the jobs, but they are not ready to pay this salary on time, due to the economical situations also. We need to understand that one also. Okay, so based on this, we have to prepare everything. Okay, disappointments will happen during this process. I'm keep telling you that there is nothing, everything is very good coming, because in the by October, I think, inshallah, everything will starts like sky end, because of this Expro and all those things. And now hiring is started. Now hiring is started in a categorized wise, like medical, hospitality, okay, and oil. Now the oil became third position. See, actually oil should be in the first position. Oil became the third position, where the hospitals of medical and pharmaceuticals
Healthcare.
came first grade, and second grade comes to the hospitality. Now the question is, hospitality means resorts and all those things. Okay, because they, at that time of a pandemic, people went out. They removed like anything. They removed the people like anything, because they don't want to run the time. Okay, now they want to show off again. They have to take again back the people who are not available. Okay, so those are the jobs are there. Oil field also, those are the technical jobs in the oil field, like welders and all these type of jobs. But whatever the jobs in the A grade and B grade, managerial, under managerial, administrative, all these are not yet open. So guys, don't fear, nothing is there, everything will be going right, inshallah. Alhamdulillah, by the time of after Ramzan, just give a 15 to 20 days, then you come, like January, June, mid June 15, June 20, you start, you come by the 3 months visa, and try yourself best. Okay, and one more thing, don't get disappointed applying from India. Yes, you can apply, but apply relevant job. Because if you apply irrelevant job, one thing, you demoralizing, and one more thing, giving yourself not respect to your education, to your qualification. And also, if they won't reply, you will get disappointed. And one job hitting by the 1,000 CVs. Now who will answer for this 1,000 CVs? HRs also same, they are also the human beings, right? So we need to understand this. Okay, don't fall in the fake news as like there is no jobs. Don't go with the fake propaganda saying that nothing is hiring. Alhamdulillah, everything is fine. Okay, but picking back slowly, because the employer is also thinking about their economical strategies, like plans of financial push outs and all those things. So according to them, they are downgrading the salaries. So we have to prepare. What is the strategy of downgrading the salary? Now people are asking 50% of 10,000. They are asking for 5,000. Okay, but we need to understand this. If they are asking that, means it is not like they are taking it, what do you call this, advantage of our situation. No, we have to go into their shoe and think, like what is the expenditure. Because whatever the economical expenditures comes around the maintenance of the company is the same, because government is not deducted anything. Government is taking the same money from everyone. Okay, so that's the reason some companies are downgrading themselves from 100 employees to 550 employees, from 500 employees to 200 employees, by downgrading their job titles, by downgrading their license, by lessing their visas, because to cost control. Else everything is fine. And after, once we start this Expro, there is a lot of things to come up. What do you call this, Dubai. So I think this is answer covers most of the people, whatever they are asking the questions. Yes, they are welcome. They come directly, and they can directly come and start doing their searching for the job. Okay, and please humbly request, go with relevant, apply for the job, not like just putting one job, if you find customer service, even accountant apply for that job. What that CV stands for, what that HR will do with that accountant job when he don't want, actually he will throw it simply. And the guy who applied for that one, he feels, like I will get some answer. No. And also one more thing, experience is a reference, but it doesn't matter that you will not get selected or you will selected. It's a reference, because questions are not constant, or questions are not something which is like dictionary which you can learn it and come and give the answer for those questions in the interview. Someone will ask you technically, someone will not ask you any question. For your information, someone will not really not ask you any questions, only technical questions. Like if it is a technical job, if it is something, smart questions will be there. So there is no preparations for that. Your confidence is your preparation. Okay, so okay.
Absolutely.
One more last important,
yeah.
then I will give you about
Sure.
most important thing, consultancies. Sorry Trisha, one more thing is consultant. Please don't trust any consultancies. Number one, I don't know about India. I heard about India that India has a permission to take money from the employee up to 30,000 or something, and then GST, blah blah blah, and then they can employ the people. But in UAE, it's illegal. Employer will pay to the consultancy. My dear, please switch off your mind. If you are if you are thinking that someone will get me employed if I pay some money. No. Lot of people, like 2,500, 3,500, 4,000, 5,000, lot of people asking, sending messages, sir, if you can fix me somewhere, I will give some money. No, it is not like this. It's not happened like this here. It's illegal. No, not even. Okay, someone will ask you, okay, give me your money for registration. Oh, okay. Not, there is no office for these things. Okay, you need to do it by yourself. By yourself, like there are a lot of websites where you can get registered, but do it with proper search and all those things. Okay, don't fall in any type of consultancies, please, and no one will help you. And one more important thing, Trisha is always says, like even 1 year back, I think so, not 1 year, like 9 months back, she keep telling that your CV is in your hands, not anyone's hands. Okay, your preparation is in your hands, not anyone else hands. That's the reason why again I started with you only, Trisha. Because why means because I just hearing every day a lot of questions, same questions, keep question. See, when I write something to them, they might understand in different way. That's why I thought, okay, let's give one good person answer for them. And they think like there is something else. This is nothing. So they have to help themselves. So first of all, the thing is they have to build their confidence. Simply I send 60 CVs, I send 100 CVs, there is no response, so I'm not interested. No, I hear these of answers. So now your choice, your turn, Trisha. Thank you.
No problems. Actually, I was going to say exactly the same thing. Please, guys, don't pay for a consultancy. It's more than likely going to be a scam. So I just don't fall into that trap. I would like to say, actually, in closing, I need to join another call, actually. So thank you very much for all of your attention. I can see I've got a great attendance sheet. I will share with you a UAE recruiter list. I will share that with you right now, and a completed UAE ATS compliant CV template that has had a lot of success with my clients in finding a job. So I will share that to those of you who have registered your email addresses, and you are welcome to connect with me on LinkedIn for any other job seeker support. Okay, take care everyone, stay safe.
Yeah, so we are here to help you people only, like especially job seekers. So don't feel anything, just write us. Okay, sometimes we'll give answer instantly, sometimes will not, so don't be bothered. But later night, then I'm going to reply all your LinkedIn answers, so questions and whenever. But we are doing our best. Now a lot of people having a question that how I am posting this type of a jobs all. This is the most important thing you people need to know about that. See, we have a group which is called procurement supply chain. Okay, This is a group of people who are working in from all MNC companies. Okay, so they share their jobs in their companies, and some are from our network. But before posting, I check for 10 times that this post is correct. Sometimes from some spelling mistakes, maybe the email ID is error, but don't worry, do just like a smart search. Copy the domain name of that email and put it on the Google search. You will find the company domain. Then go to the contact page, you will find the email ID. So you don't need to bother like, it's a wrong email ID, something. Because why means if you go my LinkedIn postings and or Telegram groupings, I never post Google, or I never post Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, Hotmail. I never post, because I don't believe in these public domain emails, because a lot of third connection, a lot of some companies who don't have, company running, hiring some people means they have that capacity of running their own website. Website is an identification of that company. Even website becomes an identification of a human being. Like whoever is like nowadays, people like who is a professional, he maintains his website, keeping his experiences and everything in that one. So what I mean to tell you, little bit experience, research on that one, putting in a single, take a time, take details about the job, find out this job is correctly meant by that company or not. For example, some XYZ company asking from oil field or something. The domain name is there. Go back, search there. This company is correctly related to that or not. Okay, don't just push. Once you say get the job notification, immediately push. No, don't do that one. This is a very you feel that I applied it, but there is no use in that one. Okay, so that's most important. And one more important thing is, there are a lot of jobs as of now. Couple of only, like I can say, like only 7 to 12% is open market now. Current today's date, 7 to 12%. Yet to open after Ramjan. You can see by the June. One more important thing. No one need to tell you about the status of current market. I will tell you. Open the LinkedIn. LinkedIn, when you see the job postings continuously, not like you requested for refresh. Usually people will do like refreshing. If you refresh, you will get the same job, means there is no new jobs. Try to understand. If you refresh it, you will get one by one jobs, means then that the situation of job market is good. No one is trusting now Indeed do like technical script writing is there, that will post, because they have to run their website. Those jobs will pull back to the main page and keep posting it. So don't trust. LinkedIn is an open platform, free platform for you people. Okay, they have their company details in that LinkedIn, because maintaining the company details in the LinkedIn is itself a professional way of that company. So go ahead and try to apply. But what my advice is, if some people are from India, so what my advice is, take a breath, no worries, complete your Ramjan. If you can possible to come back to UAE with 3 months of visit visa, try to manage to attend the interviews. But that time there will be a lot of interviews, and I'm not telling you not to apply now. You can apply now also, there is no doubt, and there is no anything bad also. But prepare yourself when you are putting something like you need to present that you are presenting here from the UAE. When you are putting some what do you call it, sending the CVs, you need to pretend that you are sending CV being in Dubai. Okay, so I'm making unmute to all. Please make your background off. So this type of sessions I'm going to continue. Okay, and if you have any questions, please feel free to send me over the LinkedIn, and we have a group in the Telegram, which most of you people know that. Join there, and you will find the jobs there, job details there. Okay, and you can apply those jobs. If why I'm not kept like two-way interaction in that what do you call this Telegram group, because people send CV there, which is no use, because I am not going to take care of those CVs, right? So you need to understand that one. If you want to ask any question, you can send me. Admin is there. Okay, you can question put the question separately, and then you can ask me a question which I can answer you there itself. Okay.
Hello.
And yes.
Yes, Samir. Actually, I did not been able to join the this webinar because it was full. So, is there any record for this session?
Yeah, we have done recording, so it takes time to get what do you call this complete the record, and then we will share the record over the Google Drive in the group of Telegram group. You can download from there. Okay. If
From
you
where?
have joined from, I will keep it in the LinkedIn as well as in the Telegram group. Okay.
Samir, we can post it on the YouTube as well, no?
Yeah, we can post it on the YouTube also, no problem. We will post it in the over the YouTube also. And
thank you very much.
Yeah, anything else anyone you want to ask? You can unmute.
Yeah, I just sent you a message in your personal. Just reply to that.
May I know who is this?
Ilyas.
Yeah, Mr. Ilyas, tell me what is that?
I've just sent you a message.
Inshallah, I will see and reply to you. Don't worry about that. I will do that one. I will.
Sir, can you send your Telegram ID in chat box?
Telegram ID. Okay.
Telegram I've already shared, Samir. So many times I've shared. I think a lot of people do not have the Telegram app. First, download the Telegram app, then click on the link. You will automatically join the UAE jobs group.
Even it's a very simple. It's a very simple Telegram app having their own website called t.me. T for tango .me. Me for means Middle East, ME. Bar means slash @ UAE jobs only. Khalas, you will join automatically. If it is technically not giving permission by your mobile, it's a very simple. Okay. So guys,
can you please send
yes, please.
Can you please send the Google form which Trisha has recently sent?
It's already there, I think so. Let me check and I will share with you.
Sir, your YouTube channel name?
No, I will share in the not what do you call this videos. We will give the details in the
Sir, will you share the list of recruiters as Trisha said?
Yes.
List is already mailed. No, she has already mailed the list. I've got the list. Trisha has mailed the list. Just check your email. You would have got it by now.
Oh, okay.
If you registered on our form, if you did not register, then you will not receive.
Samir,
can you
please write down your LinkedIn profile, and then the Telegram?
Okay, you want me to?
Telegram is already given in the chat.
Okay.
Perfect.
Thank you.
I'm Imran from India. Hello.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Do you have any update on the job expo which is getting postponed, which is going? It should be happened last year, but it not happened due to COVID. Any update on that one?
Imran, there is no news of any postpone, which is fixed by last year. Is the same date is fixed already. Okay, there is no any case of postponing. Okay, as of now it's fixed by October.
Okay.
So
Thank
it
you.
starts in October and ends in the 2022 March or April, I believe. Total 6 months.
Sir, excuse me.
Yeah.
Sir, can you tell us how to register our emails to your form?
Yeah, please send the link for register email ID.
Yeah, 1 minute. Let me share my LinkedIn and also what do you call this group, so that you people can send the details there. We will add everything there.
Sir, I am connected with you in LinkedIn and I am also in your Telegram group.
Just 1 second.
Okay, sir.
Hello, Mr. Samir. Can I ask you something?
Yeah, please go ahead.
I want to know that this ATS system, every company uses it, like small company.
No, see, I will tell you, it is something which is, a software. It's every company is maintaining. If there is more than 20 people or 30 people, they are preparing this because just to what do you call this, reduce the process
Pressure. Okay.
Yeah. So most of the people are using it. And yeah, I posted my LinkedIn. Okay. And
Hello?
Telegram is already there. You can check in the Telegram because
sir,
yes.
Can you send me the list of the recruiters?
It's already there, ma'am. Trisha has already forwarded. If not, also we will share. If not, also we will share in the group, please.
Okay. I'm sending it in the chat. Everyone can.
Please share it.
Yeah.
Please share it.
So
Relax.
Yes, sir.
Slowly.
I haven't received it yet, sir.
No worries. Now you can see.
I have sent it. Please check the chat.
Sir, one question.
Yeah.
Sir, just wanted to know why is that our country experience not being considered here?
Which country is that?
India experience.
Who said that?
Because when I attended interviews, many people said that you don't have any UAE experience.
See, UAE experience is not mean that particular every job needed. Every job needed some sort of technical, technical things. Like for example, UAE labor law. If it is a HR job, UAE labor law is needed to be learned. If you are in a HR job, then you need to learn about UAE laws now first, because without that the job will not be completed. So that is the reason. And some sort of.
Even if sorry to interrupt you, even if I study about the UAE labor law also, they are saying you don't have any hands-on experience.
That is what I'm saying, ma'am. You need to be smart to answer that question. Okay, it's not like I just studied my UAE labor law, so I am ready to give me the job. No one will give you the job. You have to be smart to answer that question, like labor law, how you have been experienced that law, right? So technically everyone is not asking this question. Very rarely you will find UAE. See, those type of questions, when they are putting a point to you, don't attend those type of jobs, for your information.
Okay.
For your information, if you want, you can go and judge that company also. That company is not big company. Okay.
Sir, can you tell me the situation about the oil and gas field?
Yes. What is the situation is good. It's not wrong anything. Everything is fine. They are taking now they are taking only technical jobs. Yes. They are taking only technical recruitment is going on, like welders, oil connectors, pipers. These are things are going on now. Still admin jobs are not open. Maybe inshallah after Eid we can.
But I'm not able to find any engineering related jobs right
now. What type of job you are looking like? Engineering?
Yeah.
I think you are not in my group. You can go and see in the Telegram group. You will find. Yesterday I posted tens of jobs. Today I posted tens of job of Q&A.
I am in your UAE job group in Telegram.
Yeah, just please go back and it is there from start last year onwards. You can see all the jobs.
Samir,
please take care of your mics, please.
Samir.
Yes, sir. Who is this?
Can I talk?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Samir, I am Jitesh. Trisha mentioned about some in LinkedIn. She told that your social footprint from the perspective of employer. She mentioned something that you just punch this and you will be able to see your social media footprint. So you need to be
Yes.
What was that she told? Where can I go and check that? What
it's in the LinkedIn.
Samir, let me answer this.
Okay.
Jitesh, see, if you are posting something communal, religious, political on Twitter, on Facebook, please be aware that recruiter can see these things, So if you know
actually
better
what
that
happens
if you posted something which is not really good, you should actually wipe off all your, such posts.
Sometimes these exams because of Corona. I just wanted to know like what exactly she mentioned.
1 minute to end. Okay, if you want, I can extend. If you can rejoin again, I don't have a problem. But it's only 1 minute time. Acha, Hitesh, I will tell you one thing. Go to the linkedin.com.